What is DNA methylation? DNA methylation is an epigenetic modification in which a methyl group, CH3, is covalently added to DNA, usually at cytosine bases, without changing the DNA sequence itself. Most commonly, cytosine converted to 5-methylcytosine, 5-MC. Occurs mainly at CpG sites, C followed by G. Chemical basis: methyl group donor, S-adenosylmethionine, SAM. Target base, cytosine, C5 position of pyrimidine ring. Enzyme, DNA methyltransferase, DNMT. Mechanism of DNA methylation. 1 in eukaryotes, humans and animals. Step-by-step mechanism. Recognition of CpG site. DNA methyltransferase binds. Methyl group transferred from SAM. Cytosine changes to 5-methylcytosine. Key enzymes, DNMTs. Enzyme. Function. DNMT1. Maintenance methylation, during DNA replication. DNMT3A. De novo methylation. DNMT3B. De novo methylation. DNMT3L. Regulatory, no catalytic activity. After DNA replication, DNMT1 copies the methylation pattern from parent strand to daughter strand. 2 active demethylation mechanism. Enzymes, TET proteins, TET1, TET2, TET3. Convert. 5-MC to 5-MC to 5-FC to 5-CAC- finally normal cytosine. Removed via base excision repair, BER. 3 in prokaryotes, bacteria. Methylation occurs on adenine, 6-MA. Cytosine, 5-MC, 4-MC. Restriction, modification system. Host DNA methylated, protected. Foreign DNA unmethylated, rightward arrow cut by restriction enzyme. Why does DNA methylation occur? Biological reasons. 1. Regulation of gene expression. Promoter methylation may lead to gene silencing. Prevents transcription factor binding. 2. Development and cell differentiation. Same DNA, different cell types. Example, neuron vs liver cell. 3. X-chromosome inactivation. 1 X-chromosome in females is methylated bar body. 4. Genomic imprinting. Parent of origin specific expression. Example, IGF2 gene. 5. Suppression of transposable elements. Prevents jumping genes from damaging genome. 6. Genome stability. Maintains chromosomal integrity. Types of DNA methylation. A. Based on modified base. Type. Base modified. Found in 5-methylcytosine, 5-MC. Cytosine. Eukaryotes, bacteria. 6-methyladenine, 6-MA. Adenine. Prokaryotes, some eukaryotes. 4-methylcytosine, 4-MC. Cytosine. Prokaryotes. B. Based on function. De novo methylation. Establishes new patterns. DNMT3A/DNMT3B. Maintenance methylation. Copies old pattern. DNMT1. Global methylation. Whole genome level. Promoter specific methylation. Gene specific silencing. C. Based on location. Location. Effect. Promoter CpG islands. Gene repression. Gene body methylation. Fine-tunes expression. Repeat sequences. Genome protection. Applications of DNA methylation. 1. Medical and clinical applications. Cancer biology. Tumor suppressor genes hypermethylated. Example, P16, BRCA1. Cancer equals abnormal methylation pattern. Cancer biomarkers. Early detection. Prognosis. Treatment response. 2. Epigenetic therapy. DNMT inhibitors. 5. Azacitidine. Decitabine. Used in leukemia and myelodysplastic syndrome. 3. Developmental biology. Studying differentiation. Stem cell research. Embryogenesis. 4. Biotechnology and molecular biology. Restriction enzyme analysis. Methylation sensitive PCR. Bisulfite sequencing. 5. Evolutionary biology. Epigenetic inheritance. Environmental adaptation. 6. Forensics and diagnostics. Tissue identification. Age estimation. Disease profiling. Advantages of DNA methylation. Stable gene regulation. Heritable without mutation. Reversible, unlike mutations. Energy efficient control system. DNA methylation vs mutation. Feature. DNA methylation. Mutation. DNA sequence. Unchanged. Changed. Reversible. Yes. No. Heritable. Yes. Epigenetic. Yes. Speed. Fast. Slow. DNA methylation is an epigenetic gene silencing mechanism. CpG island methylation leads to transcriptional repression. DNMT1 is responsible for maintenance methylation.